Hi everyone, I am Ankita Narula, a digital marketing expert, and I welcome you to another video where I talk about digital marketing course. So as a beginner, अगर आप digital marketing course करना चाहते हो और if you're already into the industry and you want to upskill yourself and you're looking to do a digital marketing course, तो क्या criteria है या क्या parameters हैं you should be keeping in mind to opt for a course from any institute. आज हम उसके बारे में बात करेंगे and also I will review two institutes to help you decide कि आपको अपने लिए कौन सा institute choose करना है. So first let's talk about the parameters. The first parameter that I want to talk about is the course curriculum and the relevance. Is the institute that is offering digital marketing course, are they doing the regular modules, that is SEO, SEM, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, social media, or are they also offering you anything that is latest or trending in the industry? जैसे AI है, automation है, are they offering you the added modules also? And are they giving you hands-on experience by giving you assignments or projects, or is it only the concept learning? Then the second point to be kept in mind is the certification. Are they giving you only the institute certification, or also they have certifications from Google, HubSpot, Meta, Microsoft? So these certifications always add an added benefit to your resume, and they also make you outshine from other candidates that come for a job interview. Then what is the mode of learning the course, online, offline, recorded sessions and so on. Then ट्रेनर एक्सपीरियंस कितना है, आपको कौन ट्रेनर्स पढ़ाने वाले हैं, उनका इंडस्ट्री एक्सपीरियंस कितना है, दैट यू शुड ऑलवेज चेक विद द इंस्टीट्यूट फर्स्ट. देन नॉलेज ऑफ द टूल्स, कितने कितने टूल्स वो कवर करने वाले हैं, द बेसिक नेसेसरी टूल्स, कितने इन डेप्थ नॉलेज वो देंगे, आर दे गोइंग टू टीच यू अबाउट द लेटेस्ट टूल्स, एंड ऑल्सो विल दे बी गिविंग यू द एक्सेस फॉर द पेड टूल्स फॉर द कोर्स ड्यूरेशन. सीखने के लिए आपको पेड टूल्स का एक्सेस दिया जाएगा या नहीं. देन व्हाट इज द प्लेसमेंट असिस्टेंस, प्लेसमेंट गारंटी कितनी है, सक्सेस रेट कितना है, करियर गाइडेंस देंगे कि नहीं, फ्रीलांसिंग के लिए गाइडेंस देंगे या नहीं, जॉब इंटरव्यू के लिए गाइडेंस देंगे या नहीं, ये सब कुछ आपको चेक करना चाहिए. Then what is the duration of the course? Is it a few months or is it 1 year? Basic level, advanced level, and fee structure कितना है? Do you have an EMI option? Because if you're a beginner and you cannot pay like at one go, or if you are switching your career and you are wanting a different path, तो आप EMI options check कर सकते हो. Then what are the reviews and reputation of the course? Previous students ने या alumni ने क्या reviews दिए हैं and how authentic are the reviews? So to check the authenticity, आप सिर्फ वेबसाइट पे रिव्यूज पे रिलाय ना करें. Go for reviews from Google, on Google and on Trustpilot, because those are real authentic reviews from students. So do make sure to check that for any institute. So आज मैं रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ दो और इंस्टीट्यूट्स को. So, सबसे पहले बात करते हैं IIDE की. So IIDE, as you can see, I am on their website and they are offering online digital marketing course with AI powered curriculum. So what I see highlighted over here is AI powered curriculum. So ये AI definitely सिखा रहे हैं, what I can see from the highlight only. Then the course duration is 4.5 to 6.5 months, which is again a decent duration to learn any new skill based course. Certifications की अगर हम बात करें तो they are giving you certificate from the institute and Google, Meta, HubSpot. So again an added advantage for you. Then they have two levels of the courses, advanced and professional level. So advanced is for students, beginners, and professional level is for working professionals, freelancers. So you will have to check with the institute कि आप किस लेवल पे हो और आपके लिए कौन सा कोर्स ज्यादा सूटेबल है. आप अपस्किल करना चाहते हो, are you looking forward for a job, freelance, or even if you are a fresher, can you go for the professional certification or not? ये सब आपको इंस्टीट्यूट से चेक करना पड़ेगा. And also the fees for two of these levels of courses. Then moving ahead, इनका 93% placement rate है, which is again a decent placement rate. So but you will have to check with the institute कि वो आपको placement assistance किस level तक देने वाले हैं. And the package that they are mentioning, highest package is 9 LPA. So make sure to see if this is aligning with you. 9 LPA goes with you if you are upskilling or doing a career switch. So is it matching your current career or not? वो आपको check करना पड़ेगा. Then students have been upskilled from account manager to business development manager, from senior executive execute to marketing strategist, and इनके hiring partners कौन that you should check. Then students के reviews यहाँ पे mentioned है, but as I always say, do check the reviews on Google and Trustpilot also to check the authenticity. फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं, so we can see that the module has been mentioned here. So I can see that these are the basic modules that are like kind of necessary. Then automation ये लोग cover कर रहे हैं, which is again an added advantage and which is beneficial and like an extra module. And if I scroll further, I see the certifications that they are offering. उनकी photo भी इन्होंने add की है. So what all certifications you will be getting? What all tools will be covered? So all the basic necessary tools are being covered. Some of the AI powered tools are also being covered, which is again beneficial for students. Then hiring partners कौन से हैं? So I see pretty good names. Zomato, Asian Paints, McDonald's, Accenture. Then all of these are the hiring partners. But it is always a good idea कि आप इंस्टीट्यूट से बात करो that you know if you upskill yourself तो आपको किस लेवल पे जॉब रोल मिलने वाला है. एंड इफ आई मूव अहेड तो इन्होंने यहाँ पे कोर्स फीस की बात की है, EMI, ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द कोर्स एंड FAQs. सो इन टोटल आई विल से दैट दिस इज a pretty you know a good option to be considered for beginners क्योंकि यहाँ पे they are covering all the basic modules and also they are doing automation and further details you can check with the institute and you can opt for this according to your own decision. Coming to another institute which I will be reviewing today is Digital Vidya. So as you can see, I am on the website of Digital Vidya and यहाँ पे I can see they are offering certified digital marketing master course. So they are saying that this is an advanced course with AI integration. So again, AI is being highlighted here, which sets it apart from the other courses because AI is like a requirement today. It's a necessity today. Then again, placement and industry certification ये सब कुछ यहाँ पे ये मेंशन कर रहे हैं. इंटर्नशिप एंड प्लेसमेंट असिस्टेंस ये लोग ऑफर करते हैं. 6 months का ये कोर्स ऑफर कर रहे हैं. सर्टिफिकेशंस आर फ्रॉम गूगल, मेटा, हबस्पॉट एंड लिंक्डइन. सो ऑलवेज अ गुड आइडिया टू चेक कि कौन कौन से इंस्टीट्यूट और कौन कौन से एडेड सर्टिफिकेट्स आपको यहाँ पे मिलने वाले हैं. Then this course is beneficial for students, professionals, non-marketing professionals, entrepreneurs. वो आप चेक कीजिए कि आप किस लेवल पे हैं. आर यू बिगिनर, फ्रेशर, ऑलरेडी वर्किंग एंड आप किस लेवल पे अपग्रेड कर सकते हैं अपने आप को. वेदर इट इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर यू और नॉट. सो यू शुड ऑलवेज टॉक टू द इंस्टीट्यूट फर्स्ट. Then alumni are working in these top companies. So basically इनके hiring partners ये सब हैं. So you can check for further details also with the institute. But as listed, hiring partners are pretty good. And moving ahead, they have also listed their reviews on Trustpilot, on Mouthshut and all. But it's always a good idea to visit these websites and read, students or people's review to check for what are they saying and how much rating are they giving and what is the institute responding to positive and negative reviews. So वो हमेशा check करना is a good idea. देन स्टूडेंट्स के रिव्यूज यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं एंड ये आप पढ़िए. बट ऑलवेज गो टू गूगल, ट्रस्टपाइलट एंड दीज वेबसाइट्स टू चेक फॉर द रिव्यूज. बट यहाँ पे वी कैन सी 5 stars, majorly 5 stars reviews have been given. Then moving ahead, they are talking about the curriculum that they are offering. So all of the basic modules, जैसे मैं हमेशा बात करती हूँ, the basic modules are being covered. बट एक एडवांस डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सेशन की बात अगर हम यहाँ पे करें तो they are giving you extra topics like programmatic marketing and AI tools. So these are like added advantages. Podcast marketing. So ये latest topics हैं. So always check with the institute if they are giving you like something latest that isn't there in the industry or not. Then they are also giving you automation. So ये सब एक added advantage है apart from the basic module. Then your certifications, assignments, case studies. Do check with the institute if they are going to, how much are they going to cover in depth, hands-on experience, tools and all कितने cover करने वाले हैं. Then they are also offering you internships, but they are not mentioned कि internships paid है या नहीं. So this you will have to check कि ये paid internships हैं or are they only giving you knowledge of the work experience. Then the tools, and I see that there are many tools being listed, but then again they are all regular tools that are mentioned. Then I don't see many AI tools being mentioned. यहाँ पे एक copy.ai है, Jasper है, बट अगेन डू चेक विद द इंस्टीट्यूट की कितने टूल्स का वो पेड एक्सेस आपको देने वाले हैं फॉर लर्निंग ड्यूरेशन. So in total, I would say that this is a good course that you can opt for because ये लोग added modules दे रहे हैं, automation, programmatic ads, AI and ये सब cover कर रहे हैं, which are going to help you upgrade yourself and which is like latest in the industry. So a pretty good course to opt for, but always it is always upon you what you decide for yourself. Being an expert in the industry, मैंने description box में एक link डाला है to what I think is the best course that is being offered in the market. So do check out the link in the description to know about my recommendation and I will see you in the next video.